Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click in this page. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So in the end, you can go to Play Store. If it's not working with you the first step, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.